Hi boys and girls, ready for math lesson today? I'm really excited. We're starting topic 14 today. So this is 14-1 and we're going to learn about adding money and subtracting money. So you already know how to add and subtract with and without regrouping. And it's the same thing we're going to be doing with money. Except to show that it's money, we need to add a cent sign on the end. So what I want you to do right now is get a piece of paper and a pencil and draw a T-chart that looks like this. And then turn that T-chart upside down and all of a sudden we have a frame for doing our math. And you can add a box right up here on this side. All right, so let's do that right now. Get a piece of paper, draw a T-chart, turn it upside down, and put a box up in the top left. You're going to the store and you want to buy 2 pieces of fruit. And you need to know how much that total will be so that you know if you have enough money or not. So let's start by picking apple and pineapple. So we're going to do 23 cents plus 45 cents. Let's write that on your paper now. Your paper should look like this. So we have our tens column, our ones column, and a cent sign because we're talking about money and it's very important that you write that cent sign. Otherwise, they're just numbers. But when you have the cent sign, now we know we're talking about money. All right, so the first thing we do in math, we start from the right and work our way to the left. So math is kind of opposite of reading, where we read a story, we start on the left and go right, but in math, we start over here. So what's furthest to the right? The cent sign. So write that on your paper first. Paper should look like now for your answers. We only have a cent sign. So now we're going to add the ones column. 3 plus 5. What does that equal? Quick as a snap. The answer is 8. Write 8 in your ones column. So we didn't have enough here in our ones to make a new stick of 10. So this box up here, put an X in it because we don't need it. There was no regrouping. So we're going to X out the box. And now I want you to add 2 plus 4, quick as a snap, 6. Let's write that in the tens. Can you see the whole thing? Okay. Here we have 23 cents plus 45 cents equals 68 cents. All right, let's try another one. I want to show you how I have my dry erase set up. I already have my framework of the upside down T-chart. I already wrote cents in because we're working with money and I want to remember to do that. So I just went ahead and did it already. I have my plus sign and my box just in case if I have any regrouping, I can just regroup it right there. So are you all ready to do another problem? All right, let's pick some more fruit. Here we go. I think that's pretty good. Let's try a banana and watermelon. Problem set up. It should look like this. We just wrote 38 cents and 47 and the cent sign was already there. So since we already started with the cent signs filled in, that makes it a little easier, right? Is it okay to do a shortcut like that? Yes, we know we're dealing with money, so yes, we can do that so that we already have our cent sign ready. So we will start in the ones place value with 8 plus 7. Quick as a snap, 15. The number 15, do we have enough to regroup with that new stick of 10? Yes. So picture the number 15 in your brain. What number is in the ones place value? That's right, the 5. Put a 5 right here and regroup your stick of 10 up here in the box. Anybody have their 5 in the ones place value and regroup the stick of 10 up in the box? Okay, where do we start? We always work always, always work from the top down. So go all the way up to the top, which is the box. And then we add straight down. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 4 plus 4 equals, quick as a snap, 8. Let's write that in. That's what your problem should look like on your paper as well. So 38 cents plus 47 cents equals 85 cents. And this one we had to regroup. Like this time, let's do the purple grapes and the orange. So 19 cents plus 25 cents. Let's write that on your paper. You already have your T-chart with your plus sign and your box in the top left. So let's write that in. 19 cents plus 25 cents. This is what it should look like. So check your paper. Let me see how close I can get. About like that. Okay. So let's look at the ones place value. We have 9 plus 5. Quick as a snap. What's it equal? 14. Do we regroup? Are there 2 digits in our answer? Did we make a new stick of 10? Yes. So we're going to regroup. Put your 4 here in the ones. Put your 1 up in the tens box. You're all set. We're ready to add the tens, and we start all the way up at the top. Ready? Go down. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Answer is 44 cents. So, how is adding money different than what you learned how to add double-digit numbers before? What's different? That's right. The only thing different is the cent sign. That's the only difference. And if you set it up the way I did, the way I showed you to, and you go ahead and write the cent sign in first, it's already done. And then you just add the ones and add the tens like you already know how to do. So boys and girls, please do your practice pages today and tomorrow. You can make up any problems that you like and practice adding with and without regrouping. And the only difference is when you're adding money, you put the cent sign to the right. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow in a practice video. All right, bye.